Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya and today I'm going to demonstrate my project on DHT11 temperature and humidity control with Arduino. The components that are used in this project are a DHT11 sensor with 3 pins, negative pin as the ground pin, out pin as the data pin, positive pin as the VCC pin. Then there is a 16:2 LCD display with I2C panel. There are 4 pins: ground, VCC, SDA and SCL. Then there is an Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, the USB cable, 3 male to male jumper wires, 4 male to female jumper wires, and a laptop that runs the Arduino IDE software. I have already assembled all the components for my project. So now I will go through the connection of DHT11 sensor with Arduino Uno board. The DHT11 sensor that I have used has 3 pins: ground, out pin and the VCC pin. These pins are connected to the various pins on Arduino Uno board with the help of 3 male to male jumper wires. The red male to male jumper wire connects the ground terminal on DHT11 sensor to the ground pin on Arduino Uno board. The orange male to male jumper wire connects the out pin, which is the data pin, to analog A0 pin on Arduino Uno board. And finally, the yellow male to male jumper wire connects the VCC pin on DHT11 sensor to 3.3 volt pin on Arduino Uno board. So this is my entire connection for DHT11 sensor. So now I will go through the connection of LCD display with I2C panel with Arduino Uno board. So the 16:2 LCD display that I have used has an I2C panel and there are 4 pins: ground, VCC, SDA and SCL. The ground pin on the LCD display is connected through the blue male to female jumper wire to the ground pin on Arduino Uno board. The VCC pin is connected through the green male to female jumper wire to 5 volt pin on Arduino Uno board. The SDA pin is connected through the orange male to female jumper wire to analog pin A4 on the Arduino Uno board. And finally, the SCL pin is connected to analog A5 pin on the Arduino Uno board through the yellow male to female jumper wire. So this is my overall connection for DHT11 sensor and LCD display with I2C panel with Arduino Uno board. So after completing the circuit, now I will go through the code that I have implemented for this project. So in the code it can be seen that I have declared the library for DHT11 sensor as well as the LCD display, and then I have defined the pin analog A0 pin to be connected to the out pin of the DHT11 sensor. Then I have provided the address for my LCD, and in the void setup program loop I have initialized the LCD, turned the backlight of the LCD on, and this function is only run once, and it is for displaying the temperature and humidity on the first line and control on the second line. And then I will go through the void loop function where I will read the DHT11 sensor and thereby read the temperature and humidity from the DHT11 sensor and provide the output in the LCD display. So this is my overall code. Now I will verify this code. It is showing it is done compiling. Now I will go to the tools. Then I will choose the port which I have already chosen as COM port 4, and the board is Arduino Uno. So now I will upload this code. It can be seen, it is uploading now, and this is my LCD display, which will show the current humidity and temperature. And as I move my fingers towards the DHT11 sensor, variations in humidity could be observed. So there is a rise of humidity. Before it was 64, now it's 66. It is increasing. As I move my hands now, variations of humidity can be observed. So it is now decreasing. The temperature is 18 degrees and the humidity is 66%.
So with that, I would like to thank everyone for watching this video.